Hello everybody, welcome back to another vlog. Today we're doing some interior upgrades to the FRS. I have not touched the interior in a really long time, so I think it's time. It gets a little bit of love. Nothing too crazy. It's actually this set I found online. I feel like you can't pass up on a little interior makeover for under $100. So I'm gonna see if it's worth it, if the quality's good. I think it's gonna look great. I think it's gonna look really good. Have a little mini transformation for the interior of the car. The last time I did something, I did a little DIY on some of the trimming inside the car, and it honestly came out great. I loved it. It looks so much better than all the silver trimming that we have. I did wrap my pieces in Alcantara, and then I spray painted some of the other pieces black. I'm just not the biggest fan of those silver pieces. So these are the pieces that I had done a long time ago. I never got around to doing these at the time. I just left them, but I'm actually going to be changing those out today. I did wrap these in Alcantara suede. I don't even remember where I got the fabric. It might have been like Joann's or like some type of craft store. I'll leave that video linked down below if you're looking more for a DIY type of video. As you can see, there's some wear and tear on it. It's just dirty. Alcantara is super hard to keep clean. My steering wheel is Alcantara. It does not look as good as when I first got it. It's also used to be silver, and then I spray painted them black, as well as this ring right here. I used it the other side. Then I also had done the air vent because those were also silver. And we are not going back to silver, obviously, but I did get these pieces that are carbon. It's a 10-piece kit. These are the door handles, like the top piece for the two air vents in the front. It's gonna look so good. Let's do a little unboxing, see what we got here. We should have 10 pieces total. Okay, door handle. Looks super nice. Obviously, these feel a little bit cheaper. They still feel decent. It's just plastic, so it's okay. It does come lined with some 3M tape if you want to add more on your own. It's probably not the sturdiest. I'm just gonna leave it and see how it works. Watch this car. Maybe I should have done that first, but here's the other door handle. Got two. There's another part of the door handle. See how they look this for the other side. Okay, I like it. That'll be different since there's nothing there. So shifter ring, the Prindle ring. These are those center pieces that are like inwards. This last piece just goes right on top. So these are actually just going to lay on top of it. Such a good fit, like just lay right over. Okay, so we got the first two pieces in. I kind of like how that looks. Everything's still good and functional. I think would be even easier to just put it on top of this. It's slightly bigger than the OEM trim, so it is an overlay. It literally just goes over it. They look really good. I really like it. If you want them to hold up even better, maybe putting some of your own 3M tape on, but this is pretty on there. I'm trying to pull this off and it's not really lifting at all. So far so good. I guess just with time we'll see how it holds up. For the next piece, we'll do this air vent trim. Just go over as well. It'll be like this. Wait, I really like how that looks. So let's just take off these pieces and stick it on there. Pieces are going to just lay like this. Actually makes this kit a little bit better because you don't have to take off the whole center console. as you can see, this door handle has even more wear and tear. It just has a bunch of like scratches, little nicks on it. Just overlaying this. Looks so much better, so good. Same with this little door handle piece. So good. Now seeing it all together, I do want to get these two pieces changed out. These are full of like glue behind this because that's what I used to put this material down. Final pieces are on. This is what they look like. I actually love how it looks. It's so easy. It's so quick. I have a mess everywhere, but I love how the door handles look. It just makes such a big difference. It looks really good. The fastest thing I've ever done to my car. It was so quick, it was so easy. Though there were overlays, it just made it so much easier to do. All of the fitment on them were pretty spot on, basically perfect. If you are looking to get them, just make sure it says your car model and the year. I'm pretty sure they're all the same unless you have like the premium packages or a different version. Obviously all of like the basic base models, BRZ, FRS 86s should be the same. At least the one that I got, it does say GT86, FRS, and BRZ from 2012 through 2016, I believe, which is the year I have a 2016 Scion FRS. It fit pretty spot on. The only thing I noticed is if you want better quality 3M tape, I would say put your own or just add more. They're very thin pieces and I don't know. I mean, for the most part, they're holding on. I just don't know how long they would hold on for. We'll see how long they last. I didn't add any of my own 3M tape. If I do start seeing any of them lift, I'll just add my own, as well as heating the tape up. I do recommend that. It'll just get stickier and tackier when you attach it to a clean surface. Clean your surface as well. I don't know why it didn't feel like 10 pieces. It technically is 10 pieces, but it was like for 5 different spots. Also, my brand Streetless is releasing a new drop. I did some updated hoodies on the FRS, so make sure you head over there and check them out. You guys already know it's sweater weather, so it's the perfect time. I'm super happy with how they came out. Can't wait to see you guys rocking them. Now I want to change up the whole interior. I want new floor mats. I've always wanted new seats, but I don't know. This is my daily. I like my reclining too much. If I were to get like bucket seats, unless I do some that do recline. I have seen some. We'll see what's next for the interior of the FRS. I'm gonna be ending this video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.